At this hour, a state hearing is just getting underway for three former officers charged in George Floyd's death. Tu Thao, Thomas Lane, and J. Alexander King were just convicted in February in federal court of violating Floyd's civil rights. They now face state charges of aiding and abetting Derek Chauvin of murder and manslaughter. They're all free on bond after being convicted in the federal case. The court hearing began just minutes ago. Esme Murphy has more on what we can expect in court today.
The state trial for these three defendants is set to begin in June. Now, this is the same courthouse where Derek Chauvin was convicted last year of murdering George Floyd. Judge Peter Cahill is the same judge who presided over the Chauvin trial. Among the issues he is considering is whether this trial, like Derek Chauvin's trial, should be televised. The judge has already ruled the trial will be televised, but the defense wants the judge to reconsider. The judge has already ruled for today's hearing there will be no cameras in the courtroom. Joe Tamburino is a criminal defense attorney not affiliated with this case.
It's very unusual that all of a sudden at this stage of the game, literally 60 days out from trial, you would have this after hours when court is closed hearing and not allow cameras.
Other motions here include the prosecution's efforts to bar supportive testimony and arguments about the three defendants' character. The prosecution is expected to introduce similar character evidence about the victim, George Floyd.
They want to bar the defense from basically doing the same thing, which is bringing out aspects of the defendant's life, that they're married, that they have children, where they live.
The federal case where two of the former officers were convicted of failing to intervene and help George Floyd, and all three were convicted of failing to provide medical aid, is viewed as a groundbreaking verdict that is expected to immediately impact future police training and court cases nationwide. Essentially, in federal court, these three defendants were convicted not of what they did to George Floyd, but what they didn't do to help him, as he cried out more than 20 times that he couldn't breathe. Now it remains to be seen if a state court jury will do the same. In Minneapolis, Esme Murphy, WCCO 4 News.
A federal sentencing date has not been set yet. Technically, in that case, they each face up to life in prison, but are widely expected to get far lesser sentences. In this state case, if convicted on all counts, they could receive more than 16 years in prison.